In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload Canva templates to Wix website. If you have already designed something in Canva and you want to place that template onto your Wix site, this process is a straightforward way to bring your design into your Wix Studio project. As you follow along, try to match the buttons and menus exactly as they appear on your screen. First, open your Wix Studio editor. Once the editor is open, you should see your site workspace, along with the design area and the editing tools. This is the main control panel, where you can add elements, choose media, and place items on your page. Take a moment to make sure you are working in the correct project and the correct page within your site. Next, click Add Elements on the left. On Wix Studio, this button is usually marked with a plus icon or the text Add Elements. Clicking this will open the Elements panel, where you can choose different types of items to place on the page. This step matters because it is the starting point for adding your image or design to your layout. After the Elements panel appears, click Image. This tells Wix that you want to add an image element to your page. Once you select Image, Wix will prepare the option for you to add a picture. Even if you have not uploaded anything yet, selecting Image ensures you are working with the correct type of element for your Canva template file. Now, click Change Image. You should see this option within the Image Element controls. The Change Image button lets you swap the image source, so you can replace the default placeholder with the file you want to use. This step is important because your Canva template must be added as a file upload before it can appear on the page. Next, click Upload Media, and then choose Upload from Computer. This opens the File Upload window, which allows you to select a file from your device. When you are doing this, look for the option that specifically says Upload from Computer, since that is the path for selecting local files you already downloaded or saved. After the file picker opens, select your Canva template file. Choose the exact file you want to use, and make sure it is the correct design version. Depending on how you exported your Canva template, the file could be an image format. After you select it, you typically need to confirm or wait for the upload to finish, so Wix can process the media and prepare it for placement. Once the upload is complete, click Add to Page. This places the uploaded Canva template image onto your current page in Wix Studio. After you click Add to Page, you should see the template appear in the design area. From here, you can adjust the positioning and sizing within the page layout, but the key step is confirming that the file has successfully been added. To finish, take a quick moment to verify that the template looks correct where you placed it. If the image is too large or too small, you can resize it using the image element handles in Wix Studio. The main goal is that the Canva content is now present on your Wix page, ready to be part of your website. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.